Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your Google AdSense Publisher ID. This unique identifier is essential for linking your AdSense account to other services or verifying your publisher status, so knowing where to locate it can save you time whenever you need it. First, you'll want to navigate to AdSense by opening your browser and heading over to adsense.google.com. Once you've entered the URL, you'll be prompted to log into your account. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your AdSense dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct Google account that's associated with your AdSense profile, as this will ensure you're viewing the right publisher information. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the AdSense homepage. Now direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation menu. This menu contains various sections that help you manage your account and settings. Look for the option labeled Account and click on it. This will expand additional options related to your account management. From the expanded menu under Account, you'll see an option called Settings. Click on Settings to proceed. This section houses all the important configuration details for your AdSense account, including payment information, site management, and personal account details. It's a central hub for managing how your account operates. Once you're in the settings area, you'll notice several subsections available. Look for the one labeled Account Information and click on it. This particular section is where Google stores your core account details, including your publisher ID, which uniquely identifies you as an AdSense publisher across Google's advertising network. Now, within the account information page, you can see your publisher ID displayed clearly. This ID is a unique string of numbers that represents your AdSense account. You can copy this ID whenever you need to provide it for verification purposes or when integrating AdSense with other platforms and services. And that's it. You've successfully located your Google AdSense publisher ID. This simple process ensures you always know where to find this important piece of information whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.